Hey guys, welcome to Chandler, Arizona. We are an outdoor application. It's a sweaty shirt. It's actually only like 10 o'clock in the morning, but it's warm. We built this barn door. The client here had an enclosed patio all the way down, maybe 40 feet long. They enclosed that in and they wanted to enclose this in, but to keep it where they had a flow through. So we built this big Z-frame barn door out of 100-year-old barnwood out of Michigan and installed it here. So they had these walls built. Stucco wall, we installed a header up there and then screwed the rail into the header board material and into studs behind it. So it's nice and strong, big thick door. This is going to keep a lot of the sound down and it should keep a lot of the dust from, in Arizona we have a lot of dust storms, so it should keep the patio cleaner. When it's all done, this is, the wind should be able to blow on it and won't have any problems because it's got a stay roller down at the bottom. So nice little addition to the patio. If you are interested in the barn door for yourself, you can reach me at Eden Down Home on Facebook, Instagram, website, edendownhome.com, or YouTube. So thank you. Have a good one. Bye.